Have you ever felt like you're putting a lot of effort into your Instagram account but not seeing the growth you want? This could be frustrating, but don't worry because you are not alone. Many people struggle with growing their Instagram presence, but with the right strategies, it is possible to see significant growth. We are going to share some tips and tricks on how to grow on Instagram in 2023 and beyond. Hi, I'm Romisa and you are watching Go2Trig, a digital marketing agency that specializes in helping businesses grow their online presence. If you want to know more about the endless road of digital marketing, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like our videos. Now, let's dive into the tips. Number 1. Post consistently. One of the main keys to a successful Instagram page is to post consistently. Set a schedule for yourself and stick to it. Aim to post at least once a day, but don't be afraid to post more if you have quality content to share. Number 2. Try Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are a popular feature on the platform and they can be a great way to reach new audience. Don't overthink it. You don't need to create a masterpiece every time you post a reel. Just try to have fun with it and try different types of content. Number 3. Edit your Instagram stories. To make your Instagram stories stand out from the crowd, try editing your photos before posting them. You don't need to be a professional editor to do this. There are plenty of easy-to-use editing apps that can help you out. Number 4. Batch shoot your content. Creating valuable content can take a lot of time, so try to batch shoot your content whenever possible. Set aside a day each week to shoot multiple pieces of content. This way, you'd always have something to post. If you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Tip number 5. Content sniping. Content sniping is a strategy that involves finding influencers in your niche with fewer than 100,000 followers and analyzing their Instagram reels. Look for anomalies, aka reels with significantly more viewers than others, and recreate them with the same audio to increase your chances of going viral. 6. Use trending audio. When creating your own reels, try to use trending audio whenever possible, but don't be afraid to use original audios as well. Sometimes it is the most unexpected content that goes viral. Last but not least, consistency is key. Remember that Instagram is a random machine, and there are no guarantees when it comes to going viral. But by posting consistently and trying out different types of content, you can increase your chances of success. And that was it. If you know any other tips, let us know in the comments section and tell us your thoughts about the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.